we use local scraper to scrape our target customers of basic info such as websites, emails, addresses, business categories from different platforms such as Google Maps, Google Places, Yahoo, Yellow, Home Advisor, Bing Map. Okay, not only Google Map, Bing Map, Yellow Pages, AUCA. Main options, proxy. By the way, one suggestion: do not set up proxy when you scrape your target customers' info from Google Map. It's unnecessary. You also can choose threads. You can choose up to 15 threads. Scrape options, tools, home. It's very easy to set up the whole crawling process. For example, Google Places, right? Keywords, you just input your keyword here. And also you can choose from file unlimited keywords. Location, of course, unlimited locations. For example, only for America, so many places. And then you just click Start Scraper. You will see how amazing this works. But actually, there is also another disadvantage in this software. If the keyword in places, the link word, if this word is not near, but in, not near or say nearby, if this word is in, that would be much better. Alright? Cool. By the way, do not buy it from the official website, which will cost you a lot of money. WordPressBin.com can provide you this tool with a lower price, more professional suggestions, advices, alright? Valuable. Thanks for watching and see you next time.